Monday morning, 7 a.m. We've been snowed in all weekend. Had winter warnings all weekend, so just now getting back out. Kind of threw off some things, and I didn't have stuff to work on this morning, so it was a little bit of a lazy morning. I just haven't had a little coffee, watched some YouTube. Very unusual morning for me. Normally, like, I get up and I get to it right away, but and then having it, like, it wasn't even not enjoyable. I'm kind of irritated I have a late start. I'm kind of irritated the post office is closed and payouts are off schedule. You know, I'm very much a person of routine. I think I like to do the same thing every day, and I feel like everything that I do has been carefully thought and picked out, so there's a reason why I do it, and I want to do it every day. And sometimes it's very hard for me with people, places, and things that stop me from my routine. So we're heading to the gym, try to get my mind right, and then see what we can get done today. All right, so we just pulled out of Speedway. I've been meaning to try these for a while. It's the Speedway energy drinks. I think they're like Celsius knockoffs. So, all right, let's take a look at the ingredients first. Your basic B vitamins and stuff. Carbonated water. All right, so right off, no dye. That's a win. It's got methylcobalamin, which is the methylated B vitamin instead of cyanocobalamin. That's good. Let's give it and for flavor, we're gonna say this flavor is purple. Purple people like purple. That's pretty good. That's pretty good. We'll see how it feels in the gym. All right, gym's done. It's a little after 9. Just got to the first thrift. Yo, it's wild. When the lines get covered up, it's funny. It's like people forget how to look at this. For real. Good pants, but like for real. All right, it's 10:15. Just finished up at Volunteers. I got 9 items. Some of the stuff that I recorded, I put back, and then I think I picked up a couple other small things. Nothing insane. Probably the best thing I got was that Mountain Hardwear down puffer, because that should be like a $75, $80 jacket. So, all right, we are heading to the next thrift store. It is actually pretty close, about 5 minutes down the street. All right, good stuff. Something we haven't done in a minute. What's that? We're going into Ross instead of this thrift. Well, not instead, just before this thrift. And sometimes between the clearance prices here and the prices of thrifts I've gotten to, you find almost like the same price items, but they're new. All right, so we just got out of Ross, and we did end up buying those Sam Edelman pants. They're actually jeans, high-rise, wide-leg jeans with the button fly that retail for $100, and they were really marked down to $1.99, like way cheaper than thrift prices. That's crazy. All right, we got out of that third stop, the second thrift store, with 6 or 7 items. I cut it short looking around in there because I was in the back going through sweatshirts and stuff, and then like I looked up and there was like 3 or 4 younger kids in there. So I just took what I had and then checked out. So it's only 10 after 11. I'm gonna go probably head to Davison, another spot. It's about 15 minutes away. We'll see how we do there. I didn't film in there because I just wanted to be in and out quick, but it was definitely worth going. They must have just changed the colors because almost everything I got was half off, and it was pretty sweet. I did get a pair of vintage Levi's silver tab baggy jeans in like a good size, which is like the best silver tab that you can get right now. So probably getting ready to go home now. That's 4 stores this morning, and I still have to photo and list. Oh, look, it's snowing again.
Good.
All right, back home. I've had some caffeine, enough to go through these pulls.
We needed it.
Yeah, it was like Monday, but even more so trying to get back out because we've been stuck here for the last couple of days.
Yeah, we got like 100 inches of snow.
Yeah, our white sand. It's in Ski Hill.
We built this sledding hill off of the stairs.
All right, so I was staying local. I didn't know how the roads were going to be, so we went to 3 thrifts and a Ross. I haven't been to that Ross in a long time. Starting off, we got a few pair of black 501s. They are modern, but they're great sizes. We got 32, 34, and a 34, 34, and they are all cotton, so they're not the stretch ones. Then we got a Nike Michigan State wind shirt, or like short sleeve windbreaker. I was thinking about that today with spring coming. I've been buying so many sweaters and jackets and stuff that I'm gonna have to go start looking back through some things that I don't enjoy as much.
Yeah.
I have to start buying like some golf polos and stuff again, just to supplement.
You'll get through it.
Yeah. So we got some polo chinos. Those were $5. We got a 90s polo jean t-shirt.
Oh, that's kind of cool.
Yeah, I got it because it was $4 and the stripes being like stitched on. I thought it was kind of cool.
Yeah.
Got a Levi's corduroy. It actually still has the red tab down here, but it is on a Levi Strauss tag. I don't buy Levi Strauss stuff very much unless it's like on with trend. You know, if it's like boot cut jeans or certain styles like this kind of faded corduroy, I'll still get. But got a vintage Nike hoodie, full zip on a gray tag. It's a size medium. Oh, and then this was that last store that I didn't want to go to, Davison, had green was half off and white was $1. So this was actually only $6.50. I might have bought it for $12, but usually I would just wait unless I really needed inventory. Like this is an Eddie Bauer First Ascent fleece, which First Ascent usually makes Eddie Bauer worth getting, or like the Travex, but you have your quarter zip fleece in this kind of strange camo coloring, but like I said, it was green, so it was $3.50.
I kind of like it.
I do too. I just, I was waiting. I didn't like it for $8 just because I kept finding other things when I was there. I paid $3 for this vintage Orvis. It's kind of almost like a PFG, but obviously it's older. It's a nylon vented fishing shirt. Kind of got like the cargo sleeve pockets. Orvis, I mentioned before, that brand like does not do great anymore. But when it's older, I'll give it a shot, or something like this. Like, this is still a good fishing shirt, even if it's not relying heavily on the brand.
Right.
These are cool. These are old LL Bean pants. And the color, the fade, like, I think these are really cool. You can see. 40-34, made in USA. Kind of like that Carhartt workwear climber brand. And with a size 40, like, you know, probably wouldn't have gotten them if it was a smaller inseam, but the 34 makes it worth it. All right, this is an old, I'm gonna see if I can find the tag. I'm guessing that this is like 60s, but it's a Revere sportswear, made in USA, wool, basic crew neck knit sweater.
Back up a little bit. Very cool.
$2 for some Nike sweats. They're like the lighter weight, but they are the baggy ones. They're not joggers, so. Oh, I forgot I got these hats. First, we got a North Face strap bag.
Nice.
Yeah, it was $225. Good condition. And then this, I believe, is a German military hat / mask from '91. We've sold like American style that are similar, where like the ear flaps fold down and then turn into a mask. This was also $225.
That's nice.
I almost missed this. This was on the way out of that thrift store that had the youngsters in there. But, it's the Eddie Bauer women's down jacket.
I like that.
I know.
It kind of looks like mine, but shorter.
Yeah. This they didn't have this tag, so I paid $9.99 for it. Oh, there's another bag here. At Cortland, they didn't. That was the spot that I didn't go through the men's shirt. It was getting crowded in there. So I did get these Page. They're the Hidden Hills Flare jeans. I didn't look this up. I just bought it based on style, material. It's like an 80s, 90s Old Glory sweater in a wool cotton blend.
Nice.
Some 511 tactical ripstop cargo pants. And then, oh yeah, I forgot. So I went to Ross. The clearance section was looking pretty light, but I caught these on the way out. In the men's section, they're Sam Edelman Cody high-rise jeans. Brand new, button fly. Retail $99. And like I said, it's a high-rise wide leg, so the style is in. And that was the clearance price. I was expecting them to say something else, but I got it up, yeah, it was $199. So even though I didn't look up like the sell-through rate or anything, and it's women's clothing that I don't buy a ton, but I figure for $30, $40, they should still move pretty good.
That's a deal.
Yeah. Then we got some 90s Levi's Silver Tab baggy jeans. Paid $5.99 for these. 34, 32. See the back.
Nice.
And last thing was this Mountain Hardwear down jacket. This thing is like brand new. It's got no wear at all. Yeah. Paid $13.25, but I had a few like loyalty dollars at Volunteers, so it was like $10-11 for it. And then you can see nylon shell, and then filling is 80% duck down, 20% duck feather. So
Nice.
I think these jeans are probably around $75, and then this jacket is around $75. So those two pieces cover everything I spent today and more.
It's a good day.
Time for photos. All right, so the photos are done there. This week's shipping. And we got a little laundry going, and I'm going upstairs.